In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see history in Amazon app. This is the list of products you recently looked at, so you can quickly find something again without searching from scratch. First, open the Amazon shopping app on your phone. When it loads, you should see the familiar Amazon logo at the top and the search bar near the middle. If the app opens to a product page from last time, that is fine, you can stay there for now. Now sign in to your Amazon account. If you are already signed in, you will see your name or a greeting near the top. If not, the app will ask for your email and password before letting you continue. Once you are signed in, the home screen will refresh with deals and product suggestions that match your account. Next, tap the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. It looks like a small person outline. When you tap it, the view changes from the home feed to your personal area. Here you will usually see shortcuts like your orders, your account, and maybe your lists or your name at the top. From there, tap Account or Your Account, depending on what your app version shows. Both options lead to the same place. After you tap it, the screen switches to a long list of account-related tiles. You might see sections for orders, payments, and personalization in separate blocks. Now scroll down to the Personalized Content or Account Settings section. Take your time here, because this page can be a bit long. Personalized content is often grouped with things like recommendations and saved items. On some versions, browsing history sits under account settings instead, which is usually closer to the middle of the page. Once you are in that area, tap Browsing History. The app opens a new page and you will see a vertical list of product cards. These are items you have viewed recently in this account on this device or others. Each card usually shows the product image, title, price, and a short description, so you can recognize what you saw before. At this point, you can manage individual items. To remove a single product from the list, tap Remove from View under that product. As soon as you tap it, that item disappears from the list. If you remove something by mistake, you can still find it later by searching for it again, and it will then show up as a new history entry. To clear everything, tap the Settings gear icon or the Manage History option near the top of the Browsing History page. Then choose Remove All Items. The list will empty, and you may briefly see a message that your browsing history has been cleared. Many beginners forget that this only affects what you see here, not your actual orders. You can also turn off browsing history. Within Manage History, turn off browsing history to stop Amazon from saving products you view. When you switch this off, new items will no longer be added, though older ones may still be cleared or already removed. Remember, this page only tracks products you looked at, while your actual purchases stay in your orders under Profile. You just learned how to find, review, and clean up your browsing history in the Amazon app. If this helped you get your history under control, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and you are welcome to subscribe for more simple guides like this.